Hi, I'm Nicole, a librarian at McAllen Public Library, and today I will be showing you a quick tutorial on how to make this homemade Mother's Day card. The floral designs seen here are linked below. You can print these from your printer at home. Take any brush pen or Crayola marker and use the techniques that we already went over in our last videos to create this simple card. Once you're finished, you can write your message inside to your mom. Also, these books are available for checkout at the library. You'll need a ruler, a pencil, a brush pen, any card or paper that can be folded in half with a floral design. The link for these two floral designs are included below. With Mother's Day around the corner and most of us social distancing, you can try this free and creative handmade card for your mom. With a pencil, you can lightly draw straight lines where you want your phrase to go. You'll want to erase these later, so don't make too dark of a line. You can also write your words with a pencil first, then trace over it with a brush pen. Once you're done, don't forget to write your mom a special message inside.